We're here at the Small Business Power Breakfast and Conference. I'm excited to say that we had a great day.
This event was a wow. Every panel, every speaker has had so much amazing content and good information to share.
This is a good day to put aside to come out and do some learning, but also make some great connections. The ones that I made were impactful.
Yeah, so the importance of connecting with other people to grow my business, I really never know what leads to what. I might sit next to somebody at a conference I would have never met anywhere else, and their cousin might be the biggest client I ever had.
We kicked off the day with the Power Breakfast. Our speaker was Bohensky, and his topic was maximizing the value of your business.
Most business owners don't know what the value of their business is and don't really know the factors that drive the value of their business. So 80% of businesses that are listed don't sell. And of the ones that do, 3/4 of the business owners afterwards say they were unsatisfied or they had serious regrets about the process.
And the morning speaker was excellent as well, got us learning what we needed to do in order to be able to ensure that our business could run without us, which I never even considered. And that's something that I'm going to be looking at now to make sure that my revenues are moving forward and my business is moving forward without me, which means I can make more money and work less. Otherwise, I'm just going to be in a job like I was before.
Next, we had a panel on organizing your small business administratively. That's a challenge for a lot of businesses because usually that's one of the last things you do, but that could be something that bites you in the butt.
We just completed a panel session with regards to organizing your small business to make sure it's properly structured, make certain that your rights are protected with regards to patent, your intellectual properties.
IP, intellectual property, it's a property right in something intangible, like an idea or a brand or an artistic work. But all of these can be used to protect your business.
My portion of the panel discussion was based around employee benefits. For new businesses can be really daunting.
There are certain benefits that you can offer as a solopreneur, entrepreneur, and even maybe a large business owner.
We talked about organizing your business. What kind of things do you have to do to get set up right and get your financial systems in place?
For lunch, we had our keynote speaker, Carpenter, who talked about being able to sell even as an introvert.
I'm Carpenter, the sales breakthrough coach, and I gave a presentation today about 5 ways to dispel fear in selling and boost the revenue in your business. I have written a book called Introverts in Sales: Turn Your Peaceful Power into a Powerful Selling Machine. I myself am a painfully shy introvert who overcame a lot. My number 1 tip is to quit pitching and start connecting, because it's really through relationship building and connection and genuine like for each other that sales even happen in the first place.
I mean, why is it that we can't think of sales as something that is wonderful, where 2 people sit across the desk from each other and we agree, and there's solutions and promises, and it's really nice? Why can't it be that way? I believe it can.
And then we're wrapping up right now with our panel on government and corporate contracting, really demystifying the contracting process and helping small businesses figure out how can they do contracting.
A lot of people don't know about the certifications that are involved in when you have your own business, and these professionals who've been doing it many years went into significant detail.
The secret to contracts is to know how to read. You got to read the contract to find out what's in it, number 1. Number 2, you need to read the contract to see if you can do it. And number 3, you need to read the contract again so that you cross all of your T's and dot all the I's.
It's important and incumbent upon small businesses that when you seek to do business with other entities, that you prepare yourself, that you know who you're seeking to do business with, that you understand the culture of the organization. Well, I think this is a wonderful event. I think all events like these are wonderful because any time that you're informing the business community and providing training and knowledge and information on how they can become better is important.
And you never know who that one dot connector could be that could take your business to the next level.
The Power Breakfast Conference, it's really a fantastic way of bringing business owners and professionals to share each other's brain trust and their experience.
Excellent day. Looking forward to continuing to network, connect with the great people that I've met, and also looking to review the knowledge that I've gained.
I thought it was very helpful and very, very educational. Everybody should be here, and we should be networking with each other.